If you're looking to make money with trading signals, there are a few things you need to do first. First, you need to find a reliable trading platform to sell trading signals. This can be a bit of a challenge, but there are a few platforms that you can use to get started. Once you have a platform, you can start selling your trading signals. Any type of trading, including forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, can choose to provide signals. The best platform where you can sell your signals is the MQL5 marketplace. There, you can sell signals directly from your live MT4 or MT5 trading account. This method is also used to test and monitor your trading strategy. Whether it is profitable or not, your monthly subscription income can come from publishing trading signals. Today in this video we are going to show you how you can sell trading signals on the MQL5 marketplace and earn money from it. Before you start, you need a trading broker that supports MT4 or MT5 trading accounts. Then you have to open a live trading account with real money. After that, you can sell your trades as a signal through the MQL5 marketplace. First, register on the MQL5 marketplace using your email address or Google account. After that, click on your profile avatar and select Settings. You may be redirected to the MQL5 dashboard. Before opening a selling account, you can finish entering all the required information for your account. Click the Seller tab and navigate to this page where you can open a new seller account. It will show some missing details to fix before opening a seller account. You have to complete all the required details and come back here. They then request identity proof from you. You are asked to send one of the following verification documents based on your county of residence. The next step is to send a selfie with your ID card in hand. You have to wait a few minutes until the system verifies your identity and the ID card you sent. After successful verification, you will see this message on the screen. Now you can sell trading signals or other products on the MQL5 marketplace and earn a profit. Other than that trading signal, you can sell expert advisors, indicators, and other tools on this platform. Navigate to the Signal tab. Then you will see a button called Create Signal. Specify a name for your signal subscription and link your MT4 or MT5 trading account to it. Enter your login information after choosing your terminal and broker. Finally, add your subscription price. It should be above $30. Save the changes. Your account may not be connected immediately. To correctly connect your account, click the Update link found below the leverage. Now check your added item in the My Signals tab. Your signal service is not immediately available to the public. The system will check the quality of your signal and publish it later, so you can earn money from it. In addition to that, you can use this to test your trading strategy and also test algorithmic trading.
If you have any issues regarding the tutorial, open the question directly on the MineX community forum. Because most of the YouTube comments are missed from us. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Thank you for watching MineX.